Hello everybody and welcome back to Average Joe's Garage. Today is the day we finally get the Charger back. Wife's driving me up to the shop so we can pick it up and we can finally do a reveal of what's going on with the car. So I'm kind of excited, can't wait to see it. You guys will get to see it along with me. Maybe we should go back, just reminisce and take a look and see what the car looked like before the modifications. As you can see, just a regular old 2016 Dodge Charger RT Road and Track. Bone stock. Found it. So here it is. So as you can see, it's all SRT body kit, all Dodge. There are no eBay pieces, no Ikon, no Duraflex, 100% Dodge. Every piece on here is straight from Dodge. Everything. I wanted to make sure that anybody could recreate this. Now I will say that the Ikon pieces are definitely cheaper, the Duraflex is cheaper, and the eBay kits are cheaper. However, these are like perfect fit. I mean, just like you would be going to buy Scat Pack. I did not up badge anything. I was not looking for that. I just wanted the look. So that's what I did. In later videos here, I'm going to give the whole parts list. I'm going to go over it all. But for right now, I just wanted to get this out. I'm pumped. The car is perfect. I'm just excited. So please drop comments down below. Let me know what you think. Till next time, Average Joe's out. Please like, subscribe, comment, and even hit the bell for notifications if you'd like to see more from Average Joe's Garage.